So it's perfect weather for a chai latte or even chai tea. And I love making my own chai teas because they're very easy to make. And this is a recipe I'm going to show you today that's very easy to make. So we're going to start with boiling water. I've placed the water in a pot and it's already started to boil. So I'm just going to put the heat up because you want the herbs and everything, the spices that you're going to use, you want the spices to be boiled for a while in order to get the flavors out. So, but I'm going to get you to crush them. What's this? Can you tell us what this is?
Cinnamon.
Someone's got cinnamon in their mouth. Can you crush that for me? So cinnamon stick, I've got green cardamom pods. Wait, let's put everything in there, the cardamom pods. I've got black peppercorns, and my favorite, cloves. I love cloves in chai teas. Okay, can you... Smells nice, doesn't it? Okay, can you crush them all and then we'll put them in there. Just enough to break them up a bit. Then we'll throw them in there. There you go. Lower the heat and let it simmer until the water has reduced a little bit. Once the water's reduced a touch and you've seen it, you see the flavors, you'll see the color change as well. Then we'll add the rest of the ingredients. So I like to put a good amount of ginger in there. I like Rooibos tea because it doesn't have caffeine in it and it tastes similar to black tea. So yeah, if you like black tea, that's fine. Personally, caffeine, any caffeine, like black tea for me, will just keep me wired all day. I'm already wired as it is. So yeah, once that is reduced a bit, we'll throw those in there. We'll throw the honey in there and the milk and we'll let it simmer just for a little while and it'll be ready. We'll see in just a minute. So we're back, and as you can see, it has really reduced. So the chai, the water's, I think there was about 2.5 cups to start of water in there, and it's reduced so much. So you better be careful. As soon as it's reduced, then we've got to add the rest of the ingredients in there. So we're going to throw the tea bags in there now. Thank you, and Momo's throwing some of the tea. And the non-dairy milk, I like to use a soy milk or an oat milk. So we'll pour that in as well. And we're going to let it simmer. I'm going to put honey in it too to sweeten it. And we're going to let it simmer with the tea bags in there. And then we're going to strain it into our cup. And then we can enjoy a chai tea. And we've made a little bit of a mess, but that's okay because Mummy gets to taste this deliciousness. So I'm going to put the honey in there. Okay, so now we're going to bring it to the boil again. And then we're going to simmer it for a couple of minutes. And then we're done. So the chai is ready. Finally, it actually took about 20 minutes to make. I'm going to pour it in to show you. So there we go. Pour it in. And then we've got some amazing froth that I just made in my frother. I had to because I just love the frothiness with some cinnamon on top. Please, it looks like an 80s cappuccino. Do you remember the caps in the 80s? I'm showing my age now, but in the 80s, that's what the cappuccinos looked like. They were frothy like that. Look at that, cinnamon on top. And you've got yourself a chai latte, so worth it. Better than going to the cafe. Enjoy it. I know I will.